Okay, this is for Algebra 2, and this is solving rational equations. No, this is solving exponential equations. Remember, it's an exponential function if there is an x in the exponent. We talked a little bit about this before. As long as the base is the same, and for this one, 3 is the base and 3 is the base. As long as the base is the same like it is here, you just take the exponents and make an equation. So 2x minus 2 is equal to 6. Normal equation to solve. So add 2, and you get 2x is equal to 8. Divide by 2, and you get x is equal to 4. If the base is not the same, you're going to have to get them to where they have the same base. On this problem, we have a base of 3 and a base of 9. So I've got to make it have the same base. You want to look at your bases and try to use the smallest one. 3 was the smallest. What could I do with 3 to get 9? Well, if I squared it, it would be 9. But it's got to be in the bottom of the fraction, and we know that means a negative exponent. So 3 to the negative 2 is the same thing as 1 over 9. Now I have the same base, and so I'll make an equation. Your equation will be 2x minus 2 is equal to negative 2. Move your 2. 2x is equal to 0. Divide by 2, and you get x is equal to 0. Looking at your equations, the bases are same, and so we're going to say x minus 7 is equal to 2. Move your 7, and x is equal to 9. Base is not the same, so look at your small one. We need to figure out 8 is the same thing as 2 to what power? Well, 2 to the third would be the same as 8. Now our bases are the same, so 3x minus 4 equals 3. Move your 4. 3x is equal to 7. Divide by 3. X is equal to 7/3, or 2.33. Looking at your base, we want to try to get them both to 4. 16 is the same thing as writing 4 squared. Okay, so 4 squared is being raised to the 2 minus x. So you're going to have to say 2 times 2 minus x is equal to 2x plus 8. Make sure you take this 2 and you multiply it by all of the exponent. So distribute your 2 and you get 4 minus 2x equals 2x plus 8. Add your 2x. 4 is equal to 4x plus 8. Subtract 8. Negative 4 is equal to 4x. Divide by 4. Negative 1 is equal to x. Your base is the same, so x plus 1 has to equal 2x plus 3, I believe. Minus x. 1 is equal to x plus 3. Subtract your 3. Negative 2 is equal to x. Okay, they're not the same base, so see if you can get them both to 27. Can you raise 27 to a power and get 81? No, because if you squared 27, you get a great big number. So what number smaller than 27 do you think of when you see 81 and 27? I think of 9. 9 squared is 81. That works out, but it doesn't help for the 27. So what number is smaller than 9? Try 3. You're going to have to just do trial and error. 3 rooftop 3, 3 rooftop 4, etc. 3 to the 4th is the same thing as 81, and 3 to the 3rd is the same thing as 27, raised to the x minus 1. So 4 is equal to 3 times x minus 1. Distribute your 3. 4 is equal to 3x minus 1. Add your 1. 5 is equal to 3x. Divide by 3. And 5/3 is equal to x, or 1.67. You want your base to be 5. You would have to say 5 squared to get 25, but it's in the bottom, so it needs to be a negative exponent. So negative 2 is equal to x minus 5. Add your 5, and 3 is equal to x. Okay, this is solving exponential equations. Come see me during speed if you have questions.